this simple thought. Love is given, son. It cannot be bought. We're here in human form to stop these cycles and to be reborn. My father preaches that. My father teaches that God is the Father of us all. My father teaches that. My father preaches that God is the Father of us all. My father preaches this every day so it can sink deep into our thoughts, and I do things my father's way, and I believe what my father taught.